So over the summer, after I got accepted into the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, RAU program, it was actually on solar physics. And I was thrown right in. I had to learn about physics over the summer, but it was also a statistics-based project that I got put with. And we were studying solar flares, specifically the distribution of their energies and its peak flux, and just different properties about solar flares that occur on the sun. And we think they follow power laws, and we came up with a method along with some other statisticians at Harvard it's called the maximum product of spacings method. And it fits power law distribution to our data, and I've been working with that all summer.
So students get to do very exciting internships here. I had several students doing very great projects, applied projects with data. That's the advantage of statistics. You get to play in everyone's backyard, we say, because everyone has data which needs to be analyzed. But probably one of the most exciting projects I had was the one that Josh was involved in. He did an internship at Harvard University, and when he got back from the internship, he presented me all the data they observed there from satellites. This is about solar flares, and so now we're currently in a thesis tutorial analyzing those data.
So while I've been conducting my research on solar flares, I've actually been able to present my progress at several conferences. One over the summer I was able to present at the Harvard University with the Center for Astrophysics. I was also able to present at the American Astronomical Society Solar Physics Division Conference. And I'll be presenting at the American Geophysical Union and presenting all the work I've been doing, our progress, and where we're looking to go with the research.